Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Outlook not receiving email until restarted. Type services.msc in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Google Update Service. Change Startup type to Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Open Google Update Service. Change Startup type to Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Now try to open Outlook. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.